Hi, I'm doing a review of the iNote 2-pack USB-C cable, and I really like this particular one. This is a package that it came in, and then when you open it up, it came in this little plastic. It comes with two, and I got the very large one. Mine is 10 feet, which is about 3 meters, and you can take a look at it here. It's a very long cord, which I really like, especially when you're plugging in things and you still want to use it. So you're not pulling on it, because sometimes when you start to pull on it, it could cause your gadget to get a little bit loose, and then it's very loose when you plug it in. Another feature about this one is it has like a right handle, so it's very strong and sturdy. It's a fast charging plug and core. I'm sorry, USB core is very fast charging. My phone was at 34%, and when I plugged it in, it took about an hour and maybe 15 minutes for it to fully charge. And like I said, it's very big, very long cord. Now they do sell smaller, shorter cords, which is a little bit less in money, but this particular one, coming with two, it was very economical. So I'm just going to plug in to my Kindle so you can kind of get a feel for how it fits. I have a Samsung S22 phone, so this is why I purchased a cord. I have one that I keep in my car, and the other one I keep here in the house. So I say the downside about this is when you want to turn your Kindle on, if you're using it for your Kindle device. I have a Kindle 10. It's, a little tight squeeze there, but you can, turn it on. That would be the only downside about it. I'm using this adapter, which is from my Samsung phone, which of course it fits as well, because I like to plug mine in as opposed to charging with my computer. So overall, I do like it. Like I said, my favorite thing is that it is a fast charger. So if I get to charge my phone in the morning, it doesn't take that long. The core part is very flexible. It's very strong. So I don't, and because I can stretch it a little bit longer, I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with, me pulling on it too much. So this particular cord is supposed to be compatible with all the USB Type C devices, like the smartphones, like my Galaxy, a lot of this Samsung S models, the 20 plus, Ultra, 10, Samsung 8, and it comes with two cables. So, like I said, this is one of my favorite um, ones. If you don't want a big one, you can get a small one. And thank you for watching.